Alrighty guys, how's it going out there? Rooster in 10, roostercb.com. Got a Carl-Built 800 HD we're going to test out for a local operator. He's supposed to pick this one up today. Has sideband built into it. Of course, 8 standard 2879s. You hit this thing with 250 to 300 watts PEP. I'd probably stay around 100 watts average, give or take, and then keep your dead key, below 400 watts. You can go up to 400 watts, but probably somewhere between 250 and 400 watts worth of dead key here. We're not going to test it with a sideband radio. Just what we had sitting out here is my all the way 447, which is going to underdrive it, but the guy that's getting it's only going to hook it up to like a 90 amp power supply initially. So this is probably about the max he's going to be able to hit it with. This will kind of give him a good idea what he's looking at here. 497 does, depending on where we've got the RF power set at, it can do around 50 or so average, give or take, and 150 or so PEP. 15 volts is what we're testing at here. We're on the big power supply. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. We can double check the delay real quick. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's the sideband delay. And that's without the delay. Excuse me, my sinuses are kicking my hind end. I'll go ahead and show you guys how much it's drawing on just like an audio here. Audio. So 86 amps, 85 amps, give or take there. It can draw a lot more, especially if you're running this thing on sideband. For sideband, I would say it can draw 150 amps plus. AM, you're probably looking at somewhere max between like 120 and 150. We got a 2500 watt slug in here because 1,000's just not going to be enough. So we're looking at the top scale. That 5 is 500. Looks like we're keying about 250. Swinging about 6, maybe 650 average. And I just put brand new batteries in my bird meter because I'm a dumbass and I left my my bird meter turned on, so it killed the batteries in it. I can't tell you how many times I've done that. Hello, audio. 1, 2. Radio check, radio check, radio check. About 1450 or so. Right under 1500 PEP. And his meter may read different. It may show a little less. I think he's got like a dosy or something. So, if he gets it and he says, well, I'm putting 150 in, it's doing 1200. I wouldn't be surprised. If he says it's, putting 150 in, it's doing 1700, I wouldn't be surprised. But that's about what she's doing. Again, I don't have a meter in line to check reflect, but if you're somebody that goes by what these things show on the front of the radio, again, I would just loosely pay attention to that, but 1-1. Modulate into it, it goes up a little bit, but I'd say it's fine. That's pretty good. Again, a lot of times if you have, whatever, these things will show whatever SWR on the front, and now if it's showing like a 3 or something, might be room for concern on a 447. Striker 655, 955, all bets are off on those. I've seen those show over a 3, and they have a perfect input tune, so who knows as far as that goes. But a good running amp here. I think he'll like it. Got you a bunch of wires coming out the back. Good quality OFC wire there. Get on down. See if we put some more dead key into it, if it goes up a little bit. Average. It doesn't come up a little bit, didn't it? Close to 7 average there. It's not going to change the PEP any, though. All right, man. I hope you enjoy this one. We'll be getting with you here in a little bit. I'm sure you'll be messaging me when you see the video here. All righty. Catch you guys out there. See you, bye.